guys! Welcome back to my channel. At today, magluluto tayo ng isda. Recipe natin ngayon is isda guys. Ito ang ating mga sangkap na ating gagamitin. Ayan, optional guys, if you wish that your mushroom has a design, you can do it. Just make it and slice it by 2 and cut into cross. And next, also our zucchini guys, we have to make a design too. Just do like this, and then we have to cut this one. Look at that, very nice. Look at that, how lovely and nice cut. That's it. And next, we have to blanch the mushroom for 30 seconds. Let's add salt, guys. In here, at the other side, let's put an olive oil into our pan and let's cook our Thai fish here in about 3 minutes and medium low heat. The 3 cloves of garlic and also our seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, and chimichanga. And here it's boiling already. Let's put the mushrooms and blanch in 30 seconds. There you have it. After 30 seconds, let's take it off and set aside. And after 3 minutes, let's set aside this one and let's transfer this because we have to cook this into the oven. And here we have to put a butter. And let's scatter this. So there you go, and now let's put the vegetables. Let's align the zucchini and let's put the fish in the center and also the sauce. Don't forget the sauce, guys. And also let's add our mushrooms and let's put little bit of mayonnaise in the top of our vegetables. This is also optional, guys. You can put also a lot of cheese at the top. It's up to you, whatever you like. And this is it. It's time to put into the oven and cook it within 10 minutes.
After 10 minutes guys, there you go.